I created this all matte eyeshadow look using the amazing Too Faced Extra Spicy Gingerbread palette. So we'll just get straight to the point. Please subscribe. I have created multiple eyeshadow looks with this palette and I will have them all linked below. So we'll just go straight into the tutorial. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids with the P. St. Louise eyeshadow base. This eyeshadow base is definitely a game changer. It can turn a drugstore quality eyeshadow into a phenomenal eyeshadow. I absolutely love this stuff. So I am just rubbing this in with my finger. And then I'm going to set that with some Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder. Any powder works. I was going to do this look with a wet eyeshadow base, but I just feel like I'm more comfortable using a dried eyeshadow base. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Plenty of Dough, which is that peachy neutral color, using my Essence Eye blending brush. And I'm just going to blend that shade all over the creased area. Like, look how stinking pigmented that is. Like, just look how pigmented that is. It was just like instant. So this is just the transition shade, and I'm just keeping this all over the crease area. So I'm going to go in with a more tapered blending brush. This is the Morphe JH34, that reddish tone, the red tone Extra Spicy. Tapping off the excess and just leaving a little bit on the tip, I am going to just slowly build up that color in the crease area. And these colors, like I've said this a million times, are just so easy to work with, so pigmented. Like, look how, like, that was within, what, 10 seconds, and I've already, like, have such good color payoff. It's blendable. It's so easy to work with. Some of the shimmer shades in this palette, though, are not that pigmented or easy to work with. Apply them wet, you can get them to work. Carving out kind of where that crease is, like where I look straight ahead, the eyeshadow space right above my crease area. So now I'm just making sure that they're even. And then on that first blending brush, I want to go with the shade Butterscotch, which is that mustardy orangish yellow tone. And I'm just going to blend that out right above that so I can warm thin that up some more. Tapping off the excess and just going in. See how that just creates the perfect, like, gradient? Man, these colors are just so easy to work with and so blendable. I'm going to go in next with the shade Gingerbread Glam. I'm going to pack that in my outer, tapping off the excess, and I am using the Morphe JH40. And I'm just blending this in the outer corner area. So next I'm gonna go in with the shade Cookie Call, which is the darkest, deepest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to apply that in the outer V area. First, I'm just gonna pack it on, and then I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna take a different brush and just blend. So now I'm going to take some of that, more of that eyeshadow base by P. St. Louis in the shade 2, and I'm going to cut my crease. I'm using a Vasanti eyeshadow 2 brush. Pack on the shade Vanilla Wafers, which is that matte cream shade, because this is going to be an all matte look. I'm just going to take a small blending brush by Morphe and just blend those two together. I'm actually going to pick up the shade Gingerbread Glam, and I'm going to apply those two to mix those two together. And I'm going to do the same to the other eye. I'm using the Pretty Easy eyeliner by Clique. Highlight my inner corner with the shade Plenty of Dough. And then I'm going to take the shade Vanilla Wafers and highlight my under brow bone. So I'm then going to take a brush by Morphe, the M321, which is a smaller blending brush. Extra Spicy, which is that red brick tone. I'm going to blend that out in the outer bottom eyelid. I'm then going to take a bigger fluffy blending brush and I'm going to take the shade Butterscotch, which is that yellow mustard tone, and I'm just going to blend that out. That way it like warmthens up the look, and the top eyeshadows match the bottom eyeshadow. Next I'm going to go with some Urban Decay Prevision black eyeliner. I'm going to apply this to my bottom waterline. And then I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. I'm going to put on some mascara and then I'm going to apply some false lashes. So I'm just going to apply some lip liner by LA Girl. It's called Keep It Spicy. This stuff is amazing. It's the perfect nude lip liner. It's amazing quality. Now I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite nude lipsticks. It is It's Soft Touch by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. It is just a beautiful nude lipstick. All my friends are obsessed with it. They always want to use it, and I'm also obsessed. And then I'm going to go in with the lip gloss by Bite Beauty. It's the shade Salted Caramel. It is this beautiful brownish, peachy, perfect nude lip gloss. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this shade. This lip gloss, however, tastes horrible and smells horrible. Your taste and smells horrible, but it's just so, I love it. So that completes my all matte extra spicy gingerbread palette makeup tutorial.